Hi, guys. Home Appliances Advisor presents How can we install an oscillating, industrial, commercial, high velocity, powerful, standing pedestal fan, then refix coupling in main pipe and tight mounting screw with the help of screwdriver. Then refix coupling in main pipe and tight mounting screw with the help of screwdriver. Fix pipe knob. Fix base with main pipe and tight bolt with waser with the help of the spanner. Remove motor from the motor box. Fix motor on the neck and tight bolt, washer and nut with the help of the spanner. Remove guard screw from the front face of the motor. Fix back guard at the front face of the motor and tight mounting screw with the help of screwdriver. Fix blade on motor shaft and tight blade screw with the help of screwdriver. Fix front guard on back guard with the help of mounting clip. After fixing all accessory, insert main cord, plug into supply socket and on power switch. If motor fan is running smoothly, fix oscillation, link patty on eccentric adapter. क्रिया वीडियो देखने के लिए कृपया लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट और शेयर करें। तैयार किया गया मोहन चंद्र।